Choosing the best colleges for you. Part 1. Tools to help you choose. EducationUSA Advising Centers. Choosing universities from thousands of miles away presents some challenges, especially when there are so many great colleges to choose from in the United States. But if you plan ahead and do your research carefully, you will come up with a manageable list of colleges that match your needs. Every student is different, and when making your choices you should consider carefully the factors that are important to you. This video discusses what academic, lifestyle, and other factors to consider when putting together a list of 10 to 20 colleges, and it offers guidelines on where to get further help and information. You should begin this process of reflection and research 12 to 18 months before you want to start studying in the United States. There are EducationUSA advising centers in almost every country around the world, and they are the ideal starting point for your research. Centers usually have a library with directories, university publications that describe academic programs, student services, general requirements and procedures, introductory guides, handouts, and reference books to assist you in applying to study in the United States. Most offer internet access and have computer-based college search packages to help you choose the best colleges for you. Many have also developed guides, videos, and websites specifically tailored to students applying from your country. They all have trained staff who can answer your questions in person, by telephone, or by email. College websites and email. Every U.S. university or college has a website with information about degree programs, application procedures, academic departments, facilities on campus, and other topics. In many cases, you will also find a copy of the college catalog. If you don't find this information on the website, feel free to ask the admissions office. They may also be able to put you in contact with current students, including international students, who are happy to answer your questions. Once you have narrowed down the colleges and universities you are interested in, you may wish to email professors and admissions personnel to ask specific questions before you decide where to apply. College searches on the web. Some websites are independent of colleges and universities and allow you to search for institutions by the subject you are interested in studying, by geographic preference, or by a range of other criteria that you specify. Before beginning these searches online, it is important to ask yourself a series of questions about the kind of university experience you are looking for in the United States. Do you want to live in a big city, or do you prefer a more rural or suburban location? Do you want to attend an institution that has tens of thousands of students, or are you looking for a small or mid-size college or university? Do you want to live on the campus of the institution you attend, or would you prefer to live off campus? By answering these questions and others, you can refine your search criteria and generate a list of schools that are closely matched with your needs. Social media tools. Students can access information about U.S. institutions through a variety of technological tools and formats. Online videos, social media, messaging apps, podcasts, and blogs about life on U.S. college and university campuses offer genuine stories and experiences directly from students. In many cases, you can even take a virtual tour of the university online. EducationUSA advising centers can assist you in finding these resources. EducationUSA's YouTube channel hosts videos to help students through the college search process, from taking standardized tests, to completing applications and essays, to securing scholarships and financial aid, to applying for student visas, to attending pre-departure orientations. Videos posted by specific colleges and universities give you the chance to see what these institutions think are their best qualities. Social media pages allow you to interact with admissions representatives or to communicate with current students. Podcasts provide helpful advice on navigating the application process or allow prospective students to listen to classroom lectures. Blogs and Instagram give a student perspective of what day-to-day life is like at different universities and colleges. We encourage you to explore all these tools as you search for the right school for you. U.S. college or university fairs and visits. If you cannot visit the United States, colleges may come to visit you. Your nearest EducationUSA advising center can tell you about upcoming fairs or other types of visits that give students an opportunity to speak with admissions officers face-to-face. Many of these take place in the spring or fall of the year before you intend to start your studies, so it is important to start your research early. Admissions officers who attend these fairs are eager to get to know you and to find out why you are interested in their college or university and what you want to study. It is a good idea to find out which schools are attending the fair ahead of time so you can do some research on those institutions. U.S. admissions representatives also give presentations at Education USA advising centers throughout the year when they visit other countries. These presentations help students understand the admissions process and what it would be like to be a student on specific campuses. A list of fairs around the world is available on the Education USA website. Campus visits. If you are able to take a trip to the United States before you go to college, this could be a great opportunity to visit the campuses you are considering. Many schools organize college tours led by current students. Check with the undergraduate admissions office for further information. Visit the academic and housing facilities, the student union or center, and the library to get a good sense of the campus. Talk to current students to find out what college life is really like. Some private organizations offer tours of U.S. colleges to help prospective students see firsthand if these schools are right for them. Ask for further information about such organizations at your Education USA Advising Center. Educational consultants and recruiting agents. In many parts of the world, private agents or agencies work to recruit international students into U.S. colleges. There are also private educational consultants who charge a fee to assist students with the process of choosing U.S. schools and compiling applications. Often these educational consultants and private agents are graduates of U.S. colleges or people who are dedicated to promoting the benefits and advantages of the U.S. education system. However, sometimes they are not, so it is important to check the credentials and past performance of educational consultants or agents before using their services. Sometimes agents or consultants promise things, like being accepted at certain schools, that they cannot deliver. If you do decide to use the services of an agent to assist you in your college search, be actively involved in the process, and be sure to understand what that person or company is realistically able to deliver. If you have found a recruiting agent or consultant who is helpful, well-informed, and dependable, he or she may be very useful in helping you select and apply to a college in the United States. Be careful, however, to look for verifiable signs of the agent's or consultant's past success with students from your country. Ask for a list of names and addresses of references, particularly current students. Write, email, or call some of these students to get their first-hand opinion of the college where they study and the services they received from the agent or consultant. Such precautions are especially important if the agent or consultant charges expensive fees for his or her services. Always check with an unbiased source such as an Education USA advising center to ensure the legitimacy and accreditation status of the college being represented to you.